Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it. I'm finna make some cornbread. I'm gonna put 1 cup of flour, but not quite a cup, a half a cup of flour in my pan. Then I'm getting some cornmeal. It's one, probably 2 cups of cornmeal. And I'm gonna get some mayo. And you say, Val, why are you using mayonnaise? Well, I'm using mayonnaise because mayonnaise is only egg, but it's whipped. It gives the cornbread a smoother, creamier taste to me. That's like 1 egg. That's like 2 eggs. I'm also going to put 1/4 cup of sugar. And I'm going to eyeball a couple. Maybe I'll just going to use the spoon and let you see it. Put 2 of those in there. Then I'm going to use water and mix that all together. So can I get this container over here? Pour the water in here. Stir. Stir again. Some more. That is a little thick here. We're going to add some more water until we get the right consistency. Get all the lumps out. You don't want your batter too stiff, and you don't want your batter too soupy. That's about right there. Now we're going to get our pan. Excuse me. And we're going to put some oil in this pan here. Going to eyeball that also. Probably 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon. That's about it. Now we're going to take this and swirl it around. Swirl that around in there. Take it all the way around the edge. All the way around the edge like that. Set your plate down. And we're going to pour the mixture into this clear pan here. And just bake it. I'm going to bake this in the air fryer. I'm going to put it in there for 20 minutes and then check it and see if I need to go another 20 minutes. It's going to be like 350 degrees for 20 minutes on air fry and grill. Minutes. The bread is rising perfectly. The 20 minutes is almost up. I'm going to extend it another 25 minutes or 20 minutes. Normally when you cook cornbread, you run about 45 minutes in a conventional oven. The 20 minutes, the extra 20 minutes was perfect for that. This is a Power LX air fryer grill. Look at that. See how much the bread lifted from the glass up. It rolls pretty good. I'm gonna take it out and put some butter on top of it. Now I'm finna butter the bread. Get me a butter knife and take some margarine actually and just rub it on the bread. And you're letting all that goodness soak down in the bread. Plus, it's giving your bread a shine too to make it pleasant to the eye. Because most of the time, most people eat with their eyes first. If it looks good, they may give it a try. And this is how I make my homemade cornbread. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, that everything button. And I will see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye bye now.